Everyone, my name is Dahlia and today I'll be walking you through the resources and programs for increasing diversity in health professions in Illinois, also known as the Rapid Illinois website. On this website, you can find a series or a variety of resources that can help you throughout your academic journey through programs and support. And today I'll be showing you what you can do on this website, along with how you can tailor your search to help you best find programs that align with your career interest and slash or a variety of different careers that can be explored through a variety of these programs. So I'll start off by going through the program inventory. Within the program inventory, you can find all the programs that are listed on the website. As you can see, they're categorized by education level and interest. So such as it first starts off by telling you the name of the program. So in this case, it would be Academic Summer Program, Integrating Resources for Excellence, and it's within Loyola University, the School of Medicine. And then it gives you a quick spiel of what this program is about. Then it tells you the education levels it supports. So in this case, this program supports college students, post-bac students, graduate students, and professional students. And this program is specifically tailored for those interested in medicine. And then if we go to the second tab within this website, it's Submit a Program. So if you have a program that you know about and you know it's not listed on here, but want other students to also learn about this program and take advantage of this resource, you can go to the Add a Program tab, and then you can fill in general information, program information, the location, duration and location, eligibility, affiliations, program components, program costs, funding, contact information, and other information, and then save it and then send it off to the Rapid Illinois website. And then there's a user guide, and it gives you a quick spiel of how you can use this website, but I'll just be walking you through how you can do this. And then if you have any questions, you can also feel free to email them and let them know if you have any concerns. Then for the questions and feedback tab, if you have any questions, you can feel free to email them through here too, by submitting feedback on how they can improve, or if something seems a little confusing, it can be worded better, you can do it through here. And then for the contact us, here's where you can find their email and their link tree. And it's a quick sum of what these tabs offer. And then once we go through the general website, you can see that there's 5 different categories that go through or focus on each education level, and I'll be showing you how they're formatted. So as you can see, there's an elementary and middle school students section, there's a high school students section, a college student section, a post-bac student section, and a graduate and professional students level section. So if I were to go to the elementary and middle school students section, as you can see, this is how it's categorized. So when looking at this, you can see that there's a filters section. I can search specific programs or sort by location and education level, along with health profession interest and other components you may take into consideration when looking for specific programs. And then there's also a section that allows you to look for programs that are only available online or that are stipend and slash or assist you financially. So all these sub programs or sub groupings offer the same layout.